Today we outside. I know we're not doing a carbon or anything like that, but we actually came back to my old high school, Dematha. Brought some cars out here. Got the Scats, got the SIT Durango. They wanted me to bring some cars through for, I think, photography class. One of my old teachers, so of course we came through, able to show off some cars. Right now I think they're getting some shots to the inside. So of course we got to get the car wash first, you guys. I should have recorded that, but I didn't. But it's all good. Just want y'all to see what's going on here though. So come on, go ahead and check out the car. So of course, you know, Playboy Scat, everybody got the sticker on here. Y'all just saw we had the Mega Meet, then we had Sunday Fun Day, that video, and then I don't think there's anything else up, but we got some other things coming up soon. So of course I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in.
Look at that shit too hard.